You have to what?
I have to poop.
Okay, so hubby and I have decided that we're gonna redo the boys' room. So we went and got, because right now they have bunk beds. They have bunk beds, and it's kind of hard for me to make their beds, being the way it is. And since I'm putting the entire house on schedule, I wanted everybody's bed to be makeable. And I'm not climbing to make a bed, so I'm gonna show you guys what we got. Hold on.
Okay, so these are the headboards. These are headboards. This is a box spring that, had my husband listened to us, we wouldn't have ended up paying $200. Would have ended up paying $20, but because he wanted to be lazy yesterday, we ended up paying $200 instead of $20 today. Then the other box spring. These are the mattresses. There's a nightstand. Yeah, the nightstand. And the bed frame. And the dresser is down there. So I'll show you guys once it's done. This is their bunk bed now. I don't like it. But I don't know how I'm gonna fit all that stuff in here. So we shall see. Okay, so the boys' room is finished. And the beds are made.
Yep, it's finished.